Hey everyone, it is Hunter, and today we have one of my favorite campers, the 2021 Alpha Wolf 27RK. It's a nice little couples coach, rear kitchen, big space. It's just an all-around great camper coming in at you around the 24 mark, depending on how you spec it. You can get it for a little bit less, 23.3, 23.7, things of that nature. Here's a little quick tour of the outside. Get one more little peek, and then we're going to do a slower one around the out. Now, I really like this outdoor kitchen here. Reason being, it has a nice 2-burner stovetop, a refrigerator, and over to the left of that refrigerator is actually an ice maker, which is pretty unique in a camper. On a hot day, you want some ice, you got it. So we'll head right on in. Right here, this sofa is a jackknife, and you'll see just past that, the zebra shades there. You can block out the sun, you can leave a little bit of light, you can roll them all the way up however you would like. It does have an electric fireplace and something this size that'll keep this thing plenty of toasty. On a 40-degree day, something like that, it's going to be all that you need. Nice little bookshelf there for some extra little storage, little DVD player or something like that. Probably put a 45-inch or so TV up there. Got some recliners that actually lay down to sleep if you can sleep in that kind of S-curve. They are very comfortable to sit in, leaning all the way back. Yeah, it'd be a 1 or 2 night sleep for the occasional person. Classic booth dinette that'll drop down into a bed there, and it's got plenty of storage on both sides. And here's where the Alpha Wolf really brings in, the added value. While those storages are not on a track, they do just slide out. They are just a ton of space, and that's really what you need when you go camping. The more places to put, bed linens, towels, things of that nature. And what's unique about this camper is it has a full-on pantry here. So you can put, an entire week's worth of food, no problem. They're big. They got a little lip there, so that way, things won't fall out. You can put a little net across it. I've seen people do that. It also has a 12-volt, 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, which is very nice if you're traveling New York or maybe some state parks where you're going through tunnels. You don't have to worry about the propane running. And here in the kitchen, they sneak a little storage here and there with those shelves. The cabinets are deep, they're wide, they're very nice. They've got some nice glass up front, so they look really sharp in my opinion. And they just put extra storage everywhere on this thing. You can see that thing goes back probably about a good solid 3 feet. Now, the oven and the microwave, they are on the smaller side, but it'll definitely get the job done. Most of your cooking will need to be on the stovetop, but a sheet of cookies, maybe even like a small, little Cornish hen or something like that could fit in there potentially. But all around, it's a very sharp-feeling camper. It feels really large with that slide out. And for 2 people, there's really not much else you could ask for, especially, you got space to sleep a couple extra. And here under the bed, you do have a huge little storage area, which is very nice. You can put whatever you need in there. A little area to hang up some shirts. Some storage here. The only drawback is they do not hold up, so I did have to hold them myself while I was recording this. But, I think that's okay. When you're only spending 24 grand, something like that is easily looked past. This camper is a great value. Dual entry into the bathroom, as you see there. And the bathroom does feel nice. There's plenty of room in here. And as you can see, you've got that little corner shower. For a real plump human like myself, that could be a little bit troublesome. But all around, you're out camping, you're not there to shower. So, jump in, jump out, you'll be good. And it's also got this nice little cabinet here area. So that way you can maybe hang some clothes or put some towels, do whatever you got to do there, for the bathroom needs. But all around, this is one of my favorite campers. There is a reason why this is sold out currently just about everywhere across the country. You're looking at about an 8-week build time. But once again, guys, I appreciate you watching very much. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to let you guys go around the outside, take a look at the sharp look to it. Once again, it's the 2021 Alpha Wolf 27RK. Hunter here for you. I'll get back to you here soon. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.